Right, we're out here trying to finish up this 1951 Farmall Super A. Was out here last week and got it running. Uh, Had to get a radiator cap for it. The old one was, the gasket was going in it. I mean, hell, it was 70 years old, 71 years old. It's time for a new one. Luckily, the local Napa had one in stock, and well, they got more than one store. So my local store didn't have it, but the two stores up the road, which is owned by the same guy, they had more than one in stock. So I got a new cap for it because when it got hot, it would just blow out the top there. I don't even think that was the right cap for it. It didn't really tighten up. This new one tightens up good. Fire it up and let it warm up and check the carb settings on it. Let's fire this thing up. It sounds like it's laboring it on a little bit. Let's try taking away a little fuel from it. The carb settings are way off on this thing. Smelling kind of smoky in here, like it's really rich. So, gonna adjust the jets on here in a minute. Motor sounds good. Don't have any leaks anywhere that I can see, except for maybe around the valve cover gasket. You have to reposition that and might add some Indian head shellac to it. We'll see here in a little bit. Get it running good first, and then we'll dick with everything else. Transmission fluid looked good when I didn't change it. I pulled the plug out slightly just to see if there's any water in the bottom. Fluid looked great, even though it had been sitting for 22 years. Still kind of clean. Smelled like gear oil. Wasn't milky or anything, so that should be good there. Radiator cap's not leaking. The one tire is leaking a little bit, the right front, which is the newer tire on here. That's the one that's leaking. The old one, which don't know when it's from, the old dry rotted one on the left side, that's the one that holds air really good. I know that both right side tires were replaced at some point, and the left rear looks good. Doesn't look much worse than the left one or right one. So let's adjust this carb up, see what we got here. Sounds better. Got a little water in the gas there. Drain a little bit more out of there in a little bit. And then we finish adjusting the carb. See how it runs up high now. that sounds a lot better. I put a little seafoam in there. Or, Lucas fuel additive or whatever it is. That helps draw some of the water out of it. Alright, we're looking good so far. Target system automatic. Make sure that thing's working. Yeah, we're at 13 right now, just on. It's charging right on. High like 13.5. High here is just under 13. We're good to go on that. Do need to check top speed though. Make sure that thing's still set right on the governor. Yeah, my tack ain't reading right. Tack here seems to be off. Ain't no way that thing's running now 200 RPM. In the back, so high RPM saying it's 500. That ain't right. Might need to put some batteries on this thing. I'll try it on. Don't seem like it makes much of a difference, but no matter what you set it on, whether you set it on 4-cylinder, 4-stroke 1-cylinder, 4-stroke 4-cylinder, it changes slightly, but not enough to it's right on. So it's off somehow.